Hi and welcome to a very quick tutorial on our new clickable map system. Now what we've done with this is set up a series of video links on a map, and you can wander around the state on the map and have a look at all the different videos we've shot of different areas. Now to get there you come to our main website, which is wanowandthen.com. as you can see it across here as well. Scroll down on the home page, and just below the video here you'll see a link that says Clickable Video Maps. Now although it says maps, there's actually only one at the moment, although that map has 3 different layers on it. Click on that link. You can then scroll down the page, and here you will see our clickable map system. This is done with Google My Maps, so we don't have a lot of control over how this works, but if you want to get the contents up, click on this little icon in the corner, top left hand corner, and we've got 3 layers to the map: attractions, campsites, and towns. Now you can see they're all in different colours, and they're done that way so that if you have all the layers open at the same time, you can differentiate between campsites, which are in green, towns, which are in blue, and attractions, which are in orange. For clarity, I'll just turn this off. Now these could be either detailed videos we've made of an area or an attraction, or they can be just very quick snippets, which are a very brief look at the area and a nice way to find out what's there before you go and have a look for yourself to see if it's worthwhile. So for example, if we zoom in here and we go down to Redgate Beach, you can see that you have a playable video in the corner here, and you simply start the video up the way you would if you were playing it on YouTube, and you'll get to look at a video. In this case, these ones all have a blue title that looks similar to this, and these are all under 2 minutes, usually between about 1 and 2 minutes, and they will give you a very quick look at that particular site. So they can be quite useful if you haven't been there and you want to find out what's there before you head down and have a look for yourself. Now to get back, click back on the back arrow at the top of the video. That will take you back to the main screen, and to go back to the contents, click the little arrow there and you're back at the contents section. Now instead of looking on the map, if you're looking for a specific place, you can also scroll through the list at the side here and pick one. Now you can see what's happened here. I don't know if this happens for everybody. I don't have any control over it because it's Google Maps and I can't do anything about the way it operates. But you can see the play symbol's missing here. Now if the play symbol happens to be missing on the video, you can always click on the link below, so you can play the video that way as well. So this is just a very, very brief look at how this operates. You'll find that the more detailed videos are the town videos and the campsite videos. They have voiceovers usually, and they will tell you a lot more about that particular place than the attraction videos. Some of the attraction videos are more detailed, some are just very quick snippets. So hopefully you'll find something here useful and interesting, and enjoy using the map. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later. See ya.